Yes. So, Siddharth, once again, can you repeat? Like, what are you able to see here? What is this?
People fighting.
Okay, two boys are fighting, right? Now, here I'll say what's the scenario. Okay, so here two boys are fighting. They're of same school. So let's say in this meeting, who are there? Sibinath, Kampu, and Arufa is there. Okay, so here Sibinath and Arufa, they're fighting too much. We don't know why. I think I'm taking this class only for Kampu. So Sibinath and Arufa are fighting for what? I don't know what they hold in their hand. Okay, they're fighting like somewhat. Now the leader enters. Who is the leader? A waiter. Okay. So the leader enters. Okay, Kampu. This is Kampu, okay. We don't have any boys here in the class. So Kampu is the leader and Arufa and Sibinath is fighting. Kampu got angry. Okay, now Kampu is saying, Are Sibinath and Arufa, why are you fighting? I'll complain about you to our class teacher, our teacher. Okay, so now Sibinath and Arufa is too much scared. Like because they'll be beaten by the teacher. So they are begging Kampu, please don't say to teacher, please, please, please. So Kampu is saying, okay, if I should not complain about you to teacher, I have a condition. Kampu is saying that she have a condition. What condition she have? She have very beautiful condition, okay? She's just like me. She's saying that if you give me two Snickers tomorrow, then I won't complain about your teacher. So here we got a condition, right? Here we got the condition that if so Kampu is giving the condition. Okay, Kampu is giving condition that okay, if you both, if Sibinath and Arufa, if you both bring me two Snickers tomorrow, then I won't complain you teachers. The first condition is if you give me chocolate, then I won't complain. Else, what if you won't bring the chocolate? Else, you will be beaten by the teachers. In the same way, in Python also, we will have a lot of condition. So how Kampu gave condition to Arufa and Sibinath, and if they both don't bring chocolate, if the condition is not fulfilled, if Kampu's condition is not fulfilled, then they both will be in trouble, right? The same way, in for Python also, how Kampu gave the condition to you both, in the same way, we give condition to Python. Okay, so the Python has to fulfill the condition. The Python won't fulfill, but the user has to say if the condition is true or not. So here I have an example from Python itself. Um, okay, so here we have a small else I cannot see the text because this thing is okay. Wait. If else allows a program to make decision based on a condition. Okay, if else statements. So it will help you to make decision. How will it make you to help you to make decision? That is, so think that it is raining. Okay, so you have to make decision if you have to go out. Okay, let's say you want to see Dasara, okay, and it's raining too much nowadays, and now you have to decide today evening if should I go to watch Dasara or should I stay in my home. So to make that decision, you have a condition. What? If it is raining, then you cannot go, right? So you will decide that no, I'm not going. If it's not raining, then you can go. Then you decide that yes, you can go. So, uh, if else allows program allows you to make decision. Like if it is not raining, then you can go. So you decided to not go. In the same way, for Python, if you give a statement, like if it is raining or not, then it says that you have to take the umbrella like that. That is called if else statements. So they're given separately like if and else. If is the main condition. Okay. It's like if you gave me the chocolate, then good. Else, else like something else, then else can be anything. It can be anything. Then it is completely negative thing will happen. Okay, run a different code in the condition if the condition is false. So if the actual condition is not fulfilled, then if it is not, what will happen? The circumstance that will be what taken place. Now here is a small example. So here the example is like if temperature is below 20. Okay, if it is below 20, then it has to say that what? It's cold. Okay, it's cold, wear a jacket. That is one condition. But if what if it's not? What if it's not else? That is or else. If it is less than 20, if the temperature is less than 20, then print this thing like it is cold. Or else what will it be? Or else it will be hot, right? It will be completely opposite. Or else it will be hot. So else print no need of a jacket. That is how like this if else statements work. So under if else only like we'll have many condition. Okay, here last we have jacket now. Here last we have jacket. This is the last final condition. Okay, here think that you have lot of condition. You should say if temperature is below 20, if temperature is above 20, if temperature is below 30. So you have many if. So when you write multiple time if, you just need to write elif. That I'll show. You don't need to just think of that right now. So here, you're able to see sample code, right? Aruf, are you able to see sample code?
Yeah, I can see.
Mm. So this sample code is what they have given for us in the level one. Okay, here. So what this says is here weather. Okay, weather. We are asking the weather. Okay, we are asking the weather. As I told, real life situation. When we ask the weather, it says sunny, rainy, or snowy. So we have to decide if we have to go out, or if it is sunny, what will happen? If it is rainy, what will happen? If it is snowy, what will happen? So here is the conditions for each the weather condition. If it is else, then it is like nothing is right. If nothing is right, then what? This is what it shows. So first condition what we have is if weather is equal to sunny. The first condition, if it is sunny, then what will happen? Then it will show that yes, it's a great day for a picnic. That's it. Now we have next condition. That is elif. Elif is something like if only, like if weather is sunny, if weather is rainy, if weather is snowy. It means if, but we say elif. Like we say else if. And else means like completely last. There is nothing else. Okay. Else means like else these are conditions. Else is also we cannot say directly a condition, but if none of the conditions are true, then else will be printed. That is what you have to remember. And multiple, if you have multiple if conditions, sorry, if you have multiple if conditions, then you have to use elif. Okay, so simply I just say this code. Okay, so whether input, okay, we are given the input. That means we'll have an input box now. So this will be the question, like the statement which will be shown. So this statement will be shown, and then this box, like input box, will be remaining, right? So inside that box, if the user will give Sunny, then Sunny will be here. So then you have to remember this weather will be sunny always, because if we enter the value as Sunny here, then it moves this value to weather. The weather turns to be sunny. So wherever you use weather, again, that will be sunny. If the user gives input here as what rainy or snowy, then that rainy or snowy will be gone to weather. So if the weather is equal to sunny, if the weather is equal to sunny, then it's a great day. Okay. So if weather means here it will be sunny, right? If the weather if like oh god, if I given the input sunny, then the sunny will go here. Then if this sunny is equal to sunny, then it has to show like this. Then if it is rainy is equal to rainy, like this. So you understood this sample code, right? I'll just show the output where it is. Okay, sorry, the output is not here. The output is in collab. I will show. I'll open the collab. Okay, stop sharing. So Arufa, Sivinath, uh, you all are here, right? Are you all sleeping? Only four of you are there. Very nice. Wait, I'll just open uh, collab. What is if?
If else statements works on a condition. So if statement executes only if it is statement is true.
Okay, you told. Actually, I have very worst network, so I didn't hear anything. It's okay. I hope Kampu and Siddhanath have listened to what Rufa have told. So wait a moment. I'll just share my screen. Like it's loading from too long. Yes. Are you able to see my screen now? I hope. Yes.
Yeah.
You can see, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I have run this code. Okay, the code was already there. I have run this code, and I'm waiting it to connect. Okay, now when I run this code, okay, and this was the code which I show in the PPT. So the first code is if weather is equals to input, this is the input. When I give this thing, it gives me, so this output is working upon this code. This, because of this code, you can see this output here. Okay, so the work of this code, this line of code is here. So input is equals enter the weather like this. So that so this thing is here. Now I gave input, right? I gave input. So this box is here, and the weather is, it is all equals to weather. So whatever I give in this box, in this input, it will go to weather. Now let me say sunny. Okay, it is rainy, right? Rainy. I say rainy. And when I enter, it say, how about visiting a museum? See here, if weather equals sunny, then it has to print this. But if weather equals rainy, so I have entered rainy, right? So in the input, I entered rainy. So the rainy, that value went to weather here. And the next line, Python read this line. Okay. If the weather is sunny, then you have to print this thing. But the weather was not sunny. I typed rainy. So the Python will go to next line. He will check if it is in this line. So when the Python check this line, it shows if the weather is rainy, then it has to print go to museum. So yes, it checked it, and then it checked this statement, and then it gave us the output like how about visiting a museum. Did you understand that? Arufa Sipinath Kampu. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I gave you a very funny example, right? The two boys will be fighting. That is here, okay. Chocolate. Then why is the spelling like this?
There is no colon in the code.
Chocolate. Wait a moment. Because I already. So, see, in this line, what I give is input value. Okay, input value is bring him chocolate. So I told about a leader. Who was leader? Kampu was the leader. Arup and Sivinath, they were fighting, right? So Kampu told to bring chocolate. So did Arufa and Sivinath give chocolate? Kampu, are you here?
Yes,
Which is your favorite chocolate?
my favorite chocolate is Dairy Milk.
Oh, yo. So your favorite chocolate is Dairy Milk.
Ah.
Okay, then for you in next workshop, I will fancy that will bring it Dairy Milk. Okay. So if they both did the boys bring chocolate to Kampu? Yes or no? Arufa, Sivina, do you want to give chocolate to Kampu?
Yes.
Or Sivina, do you want to give? No?
Yes.
If Sivinath was saying no, then Arufa was also getting beatings. So Sivinath, Arufa, they both will give chocolate to compositions. So what happened? Yes. Okay. Did the boys bring chocolate? Okay. Yes. Yeah. When I enter, yes. Then the leader did not complain. Then Kampu did not complain. It was really stupid. What example? Simply I was just sitting and I got that and I put only 4 or 5 were there in the class, right? So I thought no worries and I just gave that. So do you want to give any other condition like this? I know, like when we ask questions, only like you will be praying, "Oh God, I should not be asked." So I don't want to make you guys nervous, okay? Because once upon a time, even I was like Dharpok. I used to be too much nervous. when it's time for a question. So it's not a question. I will, okay, who is ready to give a condition? Some condition. Like here, the condition is like two boys will be fighting, blah, blah, blah. And here the condition is like rainy, like that. And I also gave a condition like you want to go to Dasara, then it should not rain, or else, uh, okay, just think that if it is raining or if it is not raining, okay, the condition will be like if it is raining, then go in car. If it is not raining, then go in bike. Those kind of condition also you can say. So, blah, blah, blah. Who want to say the code for that? I will help you. I'll say if you start, I will just continue it. Who want to say the code? Okay, I will give the
For what question?
not question. Okay, it's not question, just like a condition. Let's say we have a this
Can
condition.
I tell?
Huh?
Can I tell?
Yes, yes, yes.
Huh?
Yes, you can say.
Food
Hey, not output, bro. You need input, right? So you should have a
is
variable.
equal to food is equal to
Food.
ah
Food is equal to
input.
input.
Enter the food which you like.
Oh, enter the food which which you like. Hmm.
Colon a space. Leave the space.
Hmm.
In first line, you like leave the space for the answer.
Huh.
Next, if food is equal to
if food equals to
dosa
dosa.
colon print print what can we give?
Print. I don't know what to. So ma'am is here. I don't. That time I saw her. Now I am not able to see. Is Sindhu ma'am here? Like Arufa Kampu? Are you seeing her?
No, she's left.
The meeting. Is it? If she was there, we could. I think they're in level 1 maybe because there are many students.
Uh,
Okay, so I don't. Dosa, dosa. Okay, if food is equal to dosa, print. So here is your masala dosa. Something like that you can ask.
uh,
Okay, something I'll say. Your masala dosa, dosa
ready.
is ready. Here you go.
In
Okay.
next line, else.
Else.
Colon. Next line, print. Sorry, dosa is over.
Sorry, dosa is over.
Uh,
Sorry, dosa.
dots. Dots.
Huh?
That dots
Dot. Which dot?
means what is that?
Colon.
Not. It is correct.
Dosa is over. Do you want to say anything else? Extra line?
Don't know.
Dosa is over. Okay. Now, enter the food which you like. I said dosa. Okay. Dosa. Maria, masala dosa is ready. Here you go. Now, if I say chapati, sorry, dosa is over. I asked for chapati, right? Why it is asking? Dosa is over. So,
You can print. Sorry, it is closed. No,
what?
don't.
Masala dosa. Okay. If I ask chapati, sorry, chapati is choose. What about dosa? Sorry, chapati. Okay, chapati. Yeah. Let's say
Your food is over. What about dosa? You can any food.
is wait. I'll say. Okay, sorry. Sibinath ate all the chapati. So, would you like to have masala dosa? Okay, how about a masala dosa? That is better. How about okay? So, so Arufa came and asked which ended the food which I like. Kampu asked Arufa which food she liked, and she told, "Oh, I like chapati." And she entered chapati. Oh, then she said, "Sorry, Arufa, Sibina ate all the chapati. How about a masala dosa? Arufa, do you like masala dosa?"
Yeah.
Now, okay. Now here we had only one food now. Only one food we had. That is dosa. So if dosa come, you say, your masala dosa is ready. Here you go. If I say, if food in here, what if I enter food equals Arufa, no, Arufa, what is your favorite food?
Favorite food, vegetable bath.
Ayyo, vegetable vata. Okay, so if I want to, okay, it is like now I enter vegetable bath here. Then it has to give the output like something like here is your nice vegetable bath. Here is my mom made vegetable bath, something like that. So how to do that? Here only in this code only you can continue.
L.
Na Kambu your dosa is now Arufa's mas what batal.
Vegetable bath.
Okay, sorry.
So Elif food equals vegetable bath
Elif, okay, Elif food equals um,
vegetable bath
vegetable bath colon then
colon print
print.
inside the quotation. Yes, your delicious bath.
Okay. Here is your delicious bath. Okay. Now already two foods are ready. About Sibinath ate it all. Okay. Now two food, one visible bath, sorry, visible bath and dosa. If they ask for dosa, the person will say this. If you ask for vegetable bath, if they say this. So only these both are remaining in the hotel. Rest everything Sibinath ate it. Now Sibinath.
Yes.
Okay, only three of you are here, and I should switch between these three only. So, what is your favorite food?
I am biryani.
Same to you, and I like biryani. So now it is like only dosa and vegetable bath is here, right? So I want to add biryani also. What should I do? If I ask for biryani, if food equals biryani, then you have to print this. That's it. What is the code? Like you can just say, I'll type.
Elif, same thing. Elif
Elif
food equals
food equals
biryani
uh, biryani.
and the next line
Hmm. Hmm.
print
Hmm.
the biryani is too delicious. Here is your biryani.
Something can give. Biryani. Hey, what do we say for Tamil Nadu biryani? Is there any name?
Difficult biryani. Brother, the place are in Tamil, like, to translate.
Like, if it is in Kerala, in my village, in my native, will say, here is Kozhikode biryani, here is Kollam biryani. Like that, is there any title?
Like Ambur biryani, Dindukal biryani.
I don't know the spelling. Let's say, here is Dum biryani. Dum, what is Dum spelling? DIM. Dum biryani.
DU.
Oh, DU. Okay. Dum biryani. Me. Oh, so your two mistakes are there. You know what? First thing, okay, the else, if, okay. Here, first thing, you didn't put colon. And the second thing is that here we have to put that. You don't need to say, like, we all know this is fine, but colon you should not forget. Okay. Now, this is, okay, it is like if food equals this, if food equals this, if food equals biryani. Now, else, if none of these conditions are not true, else, who is remaining? Oh, I am only remaining. Let me only eat. Sorry, I ate it all. Sorry, I ate it all. How about a masala dosa? How about dosa, bath, or biryani? Choose within. Oh, yeah, this is fine. Now, if we're under code, Kampu,
Yes.
what? Okay. If I type dosa, what will it show now?
It will show your masala dosa is ready. Here you go.
Now, if I type bath,
It
simply.
will give here is your delicious bath.
Okay, vegetable bath. And biryani is also remaining. Let me type that also. Biryani. Okay, so this code was successful. Very nice. And now, would you do you have any doubts till this?
No.
No.
No doubts?
No.
Sister, I have a doubt.
Say.
Like, in first example, you said that if the degree is below 20 degree, the degree is below 20, then we have to wear sweater. If 20, no need of sweater. But
I don't know.
it is 20.
If it is below 20, will it be cold or hot? I don't know. Is it cold or hot?
If the degree is 20, will show sweater or wear a sweater like that.
Huh? Can you repeat? It was like cracking. Slowly you say.
If degree is 20, then we have to wear sweater.
Degree.
If it is more than 20, no need of wearing sweater. If we type 20 itself, what does the result shows?
Then it will be maybe else. Okay. It is like for every condition, else is pakka needed. Else is needed. Because it is like, what if the condition is not true, then anything else should be there? No. Now, if I say either what I should do, no, either it should be like if the temperature is below 20, then it takes sweater, else. Else means it will be not below 20. We just mentioned below 20. We didn't mention below and equal. For that, another one sign is there. Something like in max also it will be there, not like below and equals, something like this. If it is below and equals to 20, then wear sweater, you can say. But here only we told if the temperature is below 20, no. So, are you able to see that code? Can you just say what is written? Temperature. So, temperature input. Okay, let's say if temperature is equals to is below 20. Is this code right? I don't know. Print. What shall I print? Print. What was it? Sibinath?
Wear sweater.
Wear a sweater. Else What shall I say? Print. No need. Simply okay for time being. Let me say, okay, 10 equals to 20. Wait, Tima. Okay, if 10, okay, see here, else, okay, if it is below 20, it will show wear a sweater. But it is not below 20 now. Here I told temperature is equal to 20. If it is not below 20, if it is equal to 20. So no need. Okay, here if I said 21, 21 also it will show the same thing. No need. Whereas if I say 19, also it will show wear a sweater. I don't know how to say less than and equals. Let me try this thing. I don't know how to type that less than and equals. Yes. See, here if temperature is equals and also less than 20, it will be 20 and also less than 20, then you have to print this thing. Else this thing. This is like if this condition is not true. We can give another one condition. If temperature is equals and more than 30. More than 30 or equals to 30. Let me just say this thing. 30. Wait. Ayo. Wait, I think I put if ELIF. Else? Elf? Hey, what is the mistake here? Can you find it?
There is no condition for elif, like print.
No print statement.
Oh, sorry. Print. If it is more than 30, how will it be? It will be too hot, right? I don't know. No need to
Remove the sweater.
remove the sweater. So, okay, so remove the sweater. Why? Because first one condition is here equals to 30. Okay, here equals to 30 is also there. More than 30 is also there. So 30 and 31, 32, 33. If any value like that, then remove sweater. So I hope you understood. So sometimes you want to include the value also, and more than that, if you want to include, just do like this. Okay, even in I think we use it in max also. So if it is more than 20 and equals to 20, in the same way how we say, if it is more than 20 and equals to 30, then print this. If it is less than 20 and also equals to 20, then print this. Hope you understood, right? Alpha component does we have. Yeah. And any other doubts?
No.
All right. And another one thing, this is called equal symbol. I think in level 1 also you learned. This is equal symbol. This is just a value for transferring. If I put what 30 here, and this value will be transferred to temperature, and wherever we write temperature, it means it contains the value 30, like that. And then whereas equal is how we say 2 plus 1 is equals to what? 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 4 minus 1, like that. Here no values are changing, but we are saying it is equal, like that. What happens if I put equals here? I don't know what will happen. I think nothing is some. Oh, even this also work. I think. Wait. Let me say 20. Remove the sweater. Because if the temperature is more than and equal to 30, why is it showing like that? If we give any value also, it shows the same thing. Remove the sweater. If I say 50, also, every time it is saying to remove the sweater, it's okay. So we'll just keep 1 equals, because that time we meant that this temperature is equal to 50, but I didn't understand why it is. So, and then any other doubts in this if else statement? It is actually a very simple thing. You will have a condition. This is the main condition. Again a condition. You will have many conditions here, many conditions. If none of these conditions are true, something else should happen, right? Anything else should happen. So that is else, like the final. If nothing happened, then at least this should happen, like that. This is like multiple condition. It is like if, but but you use elif. It means else if. And or directly. I wrote a value here, right? Directly I can change. But here the user cannot. So then, is there any other doubts? Arufa, Kampu, and Sibinath, hope you understood. So many are absent.
Yes.
I don't know why. And then I hope you may know no need of repeating level 2 again. Okay, then we have to move to level 3 together. So make sure to attend the classes, to not miss the classes, and also to submit the assignment, because for not doing a simple assignment, you will have to remain in level 2 forever. Okay, that is not that good thing. So that is just of 1 to 2 minutes. You can easily do assignment. You can just attend the class. Nothing, you're not going to lose anything. It is better than repeating, right? So that's why I told I don't want any of my team members to repeat. Let's all jump to the next level together. Okay, we want to proudly say that none of my team members are repeating, all are sincere. So in the first day itself, none of them are there. I'm sad for that. I want to know why they're absent. So that's it for today, and I'll be sharing the recording once I get it. So Sindhu,
Assignment?
assignment I will share it in the group. Do you want now itself? Okay, assignment, it will be simple, okay, because the topic is if else statement, right? So what you can do is make a very funny and very nice conditional statement by yourself. Anything, but not don't make it too simple. One thing what you can do, don't go to ChatGPT and ask, give an example for if else statement. Make it by yourself. It is going to be more creative than ChatGPT. It's not like we humans, right? So you can think more creatively. If you're lazy to think, at least ask your parents or siblings. Ask them for a very funny situation. If they're not able to say condition, you just ask them something. They will say something else, right? Based on that, you try to create a conditional statement and just write it. And I don't want you to struggle to make this. Enjoy it, and then you have to do this assignment. So you understood the assignment, right? Don't take it as assignment itself. Just take it like a fun thing. Okay, ask, get a conditional statement, get an idea, then make a 2 or 3 line condition, and then you can either share it in the group, the screenshot, so that others can see, or else, oh yeah, I think I can create classroom. But classroom, why? Because it is difficult to manage, to see and to share and all. I will once later I'll inform you about if you have to send it in the classroom. So today, for today's assignment, you can share it in the group. Okay, you can share it in the group. From group itself, I will check. Okay, that's it. So hope you don't have any doubts. If you have doubts, you can stay, or else you can leave the session. We can leave from the main session also, because their other classes will be going. Okay, so thank you. Kampu,
Thank you, Sasi.
Thank you.
thank you.
Vyga?
Yes,
Assignment want to send the screenshot in group.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Due date? Due?
Huh?
When want to send a due date?
Due
For
date.
till,
Due date just before the class, before the next class, you can share.
can share in Thursday?
Yes.
Okay.
But don't forget to share, okay? Yeah, okay. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Even guys, to share. Yeah. Tell me what is a variable and the steps to type your name. Quick. Ashish. Just like, okay. Lekan, I can.
Variable is like a container that stores values, data values. To print a variable, first print any letter that can be a variable, like X
How to? Yeah. Okay.
equals.
Hmm.
Type anything like what you want to type.
So I told that I'm gonna print your name.
You should first start with a double quote.
Why it should? Why? I need to put double quotes.
Because it is a string.
Yeah, it's a string. Means it is text. If you wanna print any text or string, you need to put double quotes. Then.
Then print parenthesis
Mhm.
X.
X. Not inside double quotes, no?
No.
So it's printed. We got the output later now.
Yeah.
Is that clear for everyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, anyone react? I think people from other group have joined the main session. Vyga?
Yeah, like only I am here because level 2 class is done, and Maria's sister told that her team members are joining it soon, so I was just entering them. Hope like your class is till 7:30, right?
I think it may extend a bit. If you want to tell anything to your class, you can say.
Then like can you rename level Vyga level 2 breakout room? At least like they could join there.
I want to rename mass.
Maria. Team Maria. She's here. I think we can ask her.
Pranava,
Yeah.
yeah, like our team, we have the meeting from 7:30 to 8:30. So if you need to extend your class a bit, then could you like create a breakout room and make me the co-host so that we can go on with our classes?
Okay. That's fine. 1 second, let me do that.
Yeah, thank you. And
Team Vyga level 2.
yeah, okay.
You can just inform to your
Just a second, yeah. So excuse me, members of Team Maria, this is just an announcement. The level 1 members can join the Team Vyga level 1, and level 2 can join Team Vyga level 2 breakout rooms now. We'll start our classes in 5 minutes. Thank you. And thank you,
Vyga.
Pranava. And sorry for the interruption.
Vyga, just a clarification. Your class is over, no?
Yes, thank you. Bye.